Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got something for this Tahoe coming, as you'll see in this video. But I got some wheels and tires coming. Hopefully it fits, we'll see. Y'all stay tuned later on in the video, we'll see what I got. But I'm gonna get a leveling kit put on. It's a readylift. It's a 2.5 up in the front. I believe it's 1 inch in the back. I don't know if I get the one in the rear, but we're gonna do some measurements. Y'all can see what fits on these, or on these 2015 to 20 Tahoes. And right now I'm running 18-inch wheels. These are 265, 65 18s. But I'm gonna get a bigger wheel and a bigger tire. But obviously, you know, I won't be able to clear it unless I have a leveling kit at least on it. So we'll see. We're gonna take some measurements right now so we can kind of see where we're at. Let me see. All right. So we're at almost 3 feet. You know, it's 35 3/4, give or take. Yeah, it's pretty close. All right. So that'll be our measurement, and we'll see what kind of results we get whenever we put the leveling kit on, and we'll go from there. All right guys, so that's how the Tahoe is sitting. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's sitting a little bit higher up front. I'm gonna take some pictures, you know, so I can do it before and after. Go ahead and put the other wheels and tires on, ones I just bought. Let's see if y'all can see this side picture. But let me go ahead and take some measurements for you. So the rear did not get lifted. I did put a leveling kit on it, and it's a 2.25 ready lift. The rear has nothing on it, but we're gonna measure from there to the top. So 37.5. All right. Now the front. 38. Yep, 38 inches. But like any other car, you know, the rears always sits a little higher.
I was 41 on it.
Looking low there.
I thought, I know it's 41. I made a payment today. Well, this is before the payment. I'm broke today.
Huh?
So today I'm broke. Well, how to go about the potatoes?
You broke. My brother Jose's running these on his Sephora, and they look pretty good. I've read a lot of good things about these tires, so we'll try them out. But I'm pretty sure, I mean, it's kind of like they're not mounted, but that's kind of what's gonna look like. It looks good. Like I said, I'll let y'all know if it rubs and all this and that. But you can see a comparison right there between that tire and the stock tire. And like I said, I had the 18s on there. But yeah, I like this tire. Like, it's an all-terrain tire. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna look good. Let y'all know how it goes. But before all that, I'm gonna actually ceramic coat these wheels so they can last longer and hold that shine. be easier to wash and clean, and you know, all the brake dust and all that be easier to come off. But yeah, that's what I got, man. Let me know what y'all think. Also, I got this package. I believe it's the Lug Nuts. Yep. It tells you right here. Yes. It's got some goodies in here. Lug Nuts are here. I think these are decals, and the caps are right there. But I'll unbox all this. Let y'all know what Custom Offset sends. So like I said, all this is bought from Custom Offsets. So it's a good company. You know, they have a ton of wheel and tire selections. Yep, decals. So any of y'all's needs, just go to Custom Offsets to get y'all's wheel and tire packages. Got good prices, fast shipping. I mean, customer service is awesome. So let me know. If y'all looking for wheels and tires, hit them up. Awesome. Cool. So these right here should be the hubcaps. Yep. Or center caps. These are chrome center caps. Which I don't know if I'll put chrome, or I'll probably just put the other ones on. It's all for hubcaps. And then there's the Lug Nuts right here. Got black lugs. Alright guys, so I'm done with the Tahoe. So as y'all can see, there's the front stance. It looks beefy. It looks sweet. And here's the siding. Man, that thing looks good. Man, that thing looks badass. It's got a little bit of squat. We're gonna take some measurements as well, so y'all will see. Man, it looks killer. Man, I love it, love it. Look, came out real good. Wheels and tires fit just right. And I'll tell y'all the setup. It's running 33 1250 R22s. These are replica wheels. They're not OEM, but I mean they look good. Like I said, hit up custom offsets. That's where I got them from. Wheels look good. Just enough tread. I mean the Tahoe is looking sharp, man. Sharp. And they're 33 1250 R22s. They're the Venom Terra grapplers. Alright, so we're gonna head and measure the front. So see if it got any taller. I think it was at 38. So from the floor up, sitting 39 inches. So like another inch just with the tires. And the back or the rear. Let me see. And like I said, I got nothing on the rear. Yep, it was like a 37. Now it's like a 38. So yeah, I went higher. About to show you if it rubs or not. It doesn't look like it. It looks like he's gonna clear it. If you can see, right there and right there. It's got a little bit of gap. And look at the stance down the wall. I mean, from right here, you can see it right there, but honestly, if you look down, you can't really see it. It doesn't really have any poke. I could put some spacers on it, but honestly, I like it just like that, because then I'm gonna swing mud over it, which I already feel like I am, especially right here, this little gap. It's gonna swing mud all up here. But we'll see. I'm about to try it out to see if it rubs or not. But man, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But it came out killer, man. I mean, it's still work in progress on this truck. I don't think I'm gonna do much more. But now that I look at it like that, I think I'm gonna get some wheel lights and some rock lights. Stay tuned for that vid. Like I said, it's all color matched now. I did the previous videos. I had the whole front grille. I redid it. I painted it with the factory color. The headlights are built. Everything's LED. Fogs are LED. I mean, this truck is pretty much set. It's a LT. I debadged it. But it's got everything. It's 4-wheel drive. It's got, you know, sunroof, the DVD player in it, leather seats, everything is set. Cool seats, I believe. Man, this Tahoe came out badass. I love it. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if it rubs or not. Alright, about to see if it rubs or not. Alright. No rubbing all the way. No rubbing at all. Got a good clearance. Got all the way? Alright, that's a full lock. Hold it right there though. I don't know if y'all can see, but it barely misses that control arm right there. No rubbing whatsoever. Nothing. Alright, about to see the other side. It's probably gonna rub back there, but we'll see. Actually, no rubbing at all. Man, it cleared it beautiful. Alright, maybe y'all can see it from this angle. There it is. Barely scrapes back here in this fender liner. I don't know if y'all can see it. And down there at the bottom sway bar, but it's still not rubbing at all. I mean, that's a full lock. I mean, you're really never gonna full lock it, but man, that thing doesn't rub at all. Does not rub at all. Let y'all know this is a 22x9 replica wheel. No rubbing on a 33 1250 22 tire. So anybody that wants to go out there and lift a 20, I think these Tahoes were from 2015 up to 2020, put a 2 1/4 leveling kit from readylift and you'll be able to clear 22x9s on a 33. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about the Tahoe. Leave it in the comments. Y'all need any, me to help you or anything like that, let me know. But man, the damn truck looks freaking killer. But yeah, thank you guys. We'll see y'all on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.